trades by Slade on the screen. Money flowing like a dream. Shots go up, shots go down. Go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes. Trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q. Go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold. Every trade, every hold. Money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green. Biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Gangster making gold. Every trade, every hold. Money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes. Trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q. Go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold. Every blade, every hold. Money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green. Biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden gains reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud. Go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls. Aiming for those trading gold. Oh God, 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 oh God.
Yo, what up? What up, dude? It's late. It's the late night, brother. It's the late night. I gotta see what's going on, dude. I was on Twitter, dude, and somebody said we filled this freaking gap, man. I was like, dude, what the heck? We filled a new day opening gap right here, man. What the heck? The heck's going on in the Asia session? I said, dang, I gotta hop on here, see what's going on. We filled the gap. Dude, are we coming down here to the new week opening gap now? Is that what's going on? Got a new week opening gap down here. New week opening gap. Devin said, when we see the Slade Man on Asia, we go to the stream instantly. Let's go, dude. We got the Asia stream. Dude, should I slap something on here tonight? I mean, looks like we're dumping off a good bit. Yo, what up, Tingadala? What time you stream in the mornings? I stream the pre-markets on YouTube, 7 a.m. Eastern, but I also stream in the premium Discord for London session. Dude, my TV's on back there. Let me go turn it off. Yeah, dude, I just finished up at the gym, so I still got some energy tonight. I still got the old energy going. Dude, I may even get crazy and slap a trade on. You never know. You never know here, brother. If I see something, I might just slap it on there. What up, Biblical? Biblical in the house, dude. How's the road life been, dude? Looks like it's been fun. The road life. Man, we're coming down here. We got a 15-minute fair value gap right here. Other than that, it looks good to just come on down. Dude, have you guys noticed that, like, staring at the screens all day Staring at the screens all day, it like makes my eyes hurt, dude. I gotta start wearing these glasses more. I can't be staring at these screens all day. It's a new change to get used to. Yeah, bro, for sure. I bet those RVs, you gotta get used to those too, man. You got the poop pipe and everything. I don't know. Maybe you don't use that, but I know my parents have one, and it's got like a poop pipe on it. Feeling like it was a good move. Nice, bro. Nice. Dude, Biblical's living the life, man. That's what I want to do. Bib living it up. All right, let me turn this other stuff on. Got that London session right there. The New York session came back down, and we're already below the previous day low, coming down. Just working our way down. Dude, but is gold the move in Asia sessions here? I don't know. I'm not accustomed. I'm not accustomed to the Asia session. Yo, Turbo Stang, let's go. Thanks for the sub. Thanks for the sub, brother. Look at this. I called this morning, though. Perfect, man. Let's see. It might pop up here. Biblical said gold is too good lately. Let's see, dude. I want to look at some gold inside of a 30-minute fair value gap. Inverse that 1 hour here. Kind of looks like it's rounding off to roll it on over. Looks like it might just be rolling on over. We'll see. Doing the old rollover pattern. I don't know, though. We'll see. It's got a 5-minute fair value gap right there. I'm gonna stick over here on NQ. What I know. About to hit into this 15-minute fair value gap on the NASDAQ here. See what's gonna happen. You've been banking on gold? Let's go. You see a bunch of TikTok streams who only do gold Asia session? Nice. Bro, I know. Yeah, it's, what is it? It's like, it's something crazy. Each tick is $10. So each point is $100. CH said, are you scalping? Yeah, I kind of scalp. I'm a scalper, bro. I go for like 10 to 15 points on the NASDAQ. Like 10 to 15 points. All right, dude. It's tapping into this 15-minute fair value gap here. Kind of just feels like it's going to be one of those all-night kind of dumps here right into the, and just keep on coming down all night. Got two lows right here. It could be targeting. Unless it wants to kind of follow along the trend of higher lows here, but got a low right here. Got a low right here. Is it going to make another higher low right here? Or is it going to come take out these lows? That's the question. That is the question. Nate said 26 149. Yikes. Some dude on another stream said he's down to a 4 micro long in his personal 1.6K. Dang, dude. Imebu said, "How was your day?" My day was phenomenal, dude. We caught a banger trade this morning in the New York session, dude. I literally caught the top this morning. I got in short right here. Dude, imagine if I was still holding this trade. I got in short right there. I could still be holding this, dude. That's where I got in this morning. Yo, thanks for the sub, Goldie. Right here on this inversion play. Still be holding this rig. Man, I don't know. This is right now it's at 280 points. I got out for 82, right at the bottom of these lows down here. I exited the trade right here this morning. The bottom of these lows. It was awesome. It was like light bulb. I made a TikTok on it. Go what, dude? If you guys aren't watching my like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, they're all the same. But the short form videos, dude, I post some freaking. I'm not gonna lie, dude. I really do. There's like some crazy good education in there. Some crazy good education. T Coffee said I took the same trade on eval. Let's go. Yeah, Nate. It was dude, it was sick. CH said, do you look at volume or just focus on liquidity and highs and lows? Yeah, just liquidity and fair value gaps and inversions. That's it. That's it for me. At your socials on screen, bro. Hang on, let me make a yo, thanks for the sub, Rashad. Let me make a Nightbot command real quick. I'll make a Nightbot command for it. How's everybody day been, dude? You guys been trading good? Or what? Dang, bro. I gotta go find all my socials now. Yo, thanks for the sub. Alright. Yo, we're getting all kind of subs. Let's go. Even in the Asia session, we getting subs. Let's go. I'm trying to make this Nightbot command. Give me just a second here. Instagram. I got Instagram. Now I need TikTok and Twitter. TikTok right here. You're from the UK. You do London and New York Opens. Any advice for new traders? Yeah, I do London too. That's my main session actually with the premium group. I do the London session. Man, dude, I mean, it's hard to give you just like advice in a couple minutes, but the main advice I would say would be when you're green, lock in profits, base hits. Don't go for too huge moves, you know. I mean, I used to try to go for huge moves and I was never profitable until I started trading with prop firms. And, you know, they had the consistency rule that forced me to just lock up trades and take base hits. So once I started doing that, dude, I found profitability. And I just ran with it, dude. All right. It should work now. Let me see if it works. No, I'm not in anything yet. Let me see if that command. Well, Rashad said, "Give us one." Well, dude, I'm waiting. If I find something, I mean, I'll try to call it out here. But it's bouncing from this 15-minute fair value gap right now. So we'll see what happens. Oh, there it is. It looks retarded though. Well, I don't know. Dang, bro, it didn't list it like I had it listed. Oh well. Which pair? This is NASDAQ NQ Futures right here. We did, dude, this was actually not a bad play here. Look at this. We got the inversion here out of the 15-minute fair value gap. I bet the indicator called it out. All right, I gotta try to fix this thing. It's bothering me. Instagram, TikTok. TikTok. And now I need one for Twitter. All right, there we go. That should look a little better. All right, let's see. Victor says, "Hey man, I'd like to get serious in on the trading game. What broker do you suggest using? One with some good leverage?" Oh, dude, you can't go wrong with AMP Futures or even Futures Prop Firms. Futures Prop Firms will give you the best leverage, dude. You can turn a $100 account into unlimited money. Pretty much. Nate said, "Bet some traders are underwater from that slow sell." Yeah, dude, it was coming down here. I bet it runs it up pretty quickly now. Should I paper trade it? Should I paper trade along here? Or you think it's gonna go lower? Yo, thanks for the sub, Narrow. Thanks for the sub, SEO. Dude, we are at freaking 5,000 subscribers. It's crazy. Nate said, Tradeify leaderboard at 20K, a 2K drawdown in 24 hours, and many are close behind. Unreal. Yeah, that's crazy. Dude, that's literally all luck. Like, I was thinking about entering, but like, dude, whoever wins that is just gonna freaking gamble. Yo, thanks for the sub. Thanks for the sub, Innocent Mind. What up, MGH? You guys want me to look at gold or NASDAQ tonight? Let me know. Let me make a little poll here. I'll make a poll. And then we'll look. I'll just look at whatever you guys want. Or just type in if you want me to look at gold or NASDAQ. I'm just going to look at one. I'm not going to switch back and forth soon. Type if you want me to look at gold or NASDAQ tonight. Devin said big sub train happening. Yes, sir. We on a sub train, brother. So the horizontal stream is saying NQ, the vertical stream is saying gold at the moment. Man, you guys gonna have to work it out there. You guys gonna have to. Oh, I knew it, dude. This thing's about to pump up a good bit here. It's gonna pump up a good bit. Oh, yeah, there it goes. Dang. I should have at least entered in a paper trade. Yeah, it is a good little spot there for it to bounce up. Tapped into this last 15-minute fair value gap on this leg. And the last 15-minute fair value gap on a leg is always a good spot for it to bounce. Or not 15 minutes, just the last fair value gap. Tapped into that and it's coming up now. So we'll see how high it wants to go here. Got a 15-minute. It's inside of a 15-minute gap now. And then there's another one up here as well. So I'll mark that out. Yo, thanks for the sub, 409 Trey. Let's go. So down here, we got a sell side level. Sell side and another sell side right here. Two sell side levels down there. Bing bong. Well, let's see. MGH said, brother, will you teach me? What strategy do you use? Yeah, bro, join the premium. I'll make you profitable, brother. Join up in the premium. We trade live. You can learn my exact strategy. But I use IFVGs and fair value gaps and liquidity. Any tip on marking up charts? Yeah. Always start on the higher time frames. So I'll start on the daily time frames. I'll look for the closest areas where I think price is going, and I'll like work my way down until I find a clear time frame. So I'll start on the daily, work my way to the 4-hour time frame here, and then I'll just go down, and whatever looks clear, I'll mark it up, and then I'll enter on the lower time frames, because on the higher time frames, that close move will be plenty of move for the lower time frames. So that's a good tip. How should I access the premium? I got you. It's a 7-day free trial. Let me drop the link here. If you want to get the 7-day free trial to the premium. You can cancel too, so you can join, and then if you don't like it, just cancel. All right, here it is. I'm about to drop the link to the premium. It's 7 days free on it too. So look at this. Look at the dump. Holy. Yeah, and you can cancel that if you don't like it. So you don't, it's 7 days free. If you don't like it, you can cancel it. All right. It looks pretty heavy, don't it, dude? This big, just selling. Just selling here. Yo, Clayton, thanks for the sub. Joker, thanks for the sub. I need a live sub count on here, dude. Don't I? I need a live sub count because, boys, like when I hit 10K, dude, when I hit 10K subs, I'm throwing a party. I'm gonna throw a party if I hit 10K, when I hit 10K subs. We're at 5,200 right now. Literally a month ago, we were at 3,000 or 2,500 or something. Just crazy. Just crazy, dude. Toki said, I'll be there. Let's go. I like the new name. Invest and chill. Let's go. LP Bay says, cool, I need to learn how to be a profitable trader, man. I am new in crypto trade. Yeah, bro, join the premium. 7 days for free. I mean, there's so much education in there, bro. It should really be more. Like, you guys don't know how much time I put into this stuff. I freaking love it, though. I love it, dude. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. T Coffee said, at 10K gambling a payout in Las Vegas. Dang. Devin, it was chest day, bro. MGH, nah. I got it. We got an indicator here. Works good. No, this is the NQ chart here. Yo, Fernan, thanks for the sub. Let's go, dude. I'll switch over to gold for a minute. I just know where NQ's at. I don't really look at gold too much. Let's see if the indicator called out a gold short here. This is the gold chart now. You can see it down there at the bottom too. It'll say if it's GC, it's gold. If it's NQ, it's NASDAQ. Yeah, I don't know. It's just kind of, I don't really like these candles just kind of chopping here. They're just kind of chopping. I like stuff to be moving. Like the NASDAQ is moving pretty good tonight. Trending. I like that. I like that a lot. Dude, but my chart here is... I don't know if my Wi-Fi is messed up or what. It's lagging. Should I try a NASDAQ short here on paper trade? I kind of like the shorts. I'll try a paper short, dude. What's it gonna hurt? I'll go in 5 contracts. It's paper. I kind of like it. We'll see. There'll be something on the chart at least. Yo, thanks for the sub, Mr. AK. Dump it down here, buddy. I'll take off. Some right here. Boom, TP1 smash. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Boom. Boom. I'm going to break even here, boys. I'm going to break even. Boom. Yo, what up, everybody? The link to the premium's not working. Yeah, it's working. Here it is. Learn how to become a profitable trader. 4.8 stars, buddy. No, we're about to get stopped out of break even. Should I leave the break even or should I let it ride? Let me know. Should I take off the break even and let it ride, or leave the break even right there? What should I do? Should I leave the break even? Oh, it's about to get hit. Should I take it off? Should I let it ride? Oh, it got hit. Break even. Yeah, that's working. It's working. Yeah, I should probably let it ride, but whatever. It hit TP1. It hit TP1. What? How much paper count up today? Dang, paper up $2,000 today. We caught a banger this morning on the paper. So if you guys don't know, I take one trade per day on my funded accounts, and then the rest I just paper trade, forward test type. So yeah, that's it. If you're wondering, I save my funded accounts. I take one trade a day. Dude, heck yeah. Spamming the money. All right. I got a question. For everybody in here. Smash the like button for me, though, if you're in here. But the question is, type 1 if you're a profitable trader. Type 2 if you're unprofitable. Type 0 if you're a break-even trader. Let me see what's going on here. Let me see who we're working with. Paul, break even. Jacob's a profitable. We got some unprofitable. I'm gonna get you profitable though. That's gonna happen. Let's do it. I appreciate it, MGH. Thank you, dude. Thank you. CH said, I've just started, so neither yet. Nice. Enjoy the process, dude. Enjoy the process. It's gonna challenge you so much. But if you really stick to it and grind with it, in a year, dude, you'll be so proud of yourself. Yo, thanks for the sub, Doobie. It's gonna be so challenging and so hard, but if you stick to it in a year, you'll be like super proud of yourself. And that's what's great about trading. Jamar says there's still liquidity. Yeah, we'll see. It's just a paper trade. I mean, it'll probably go up. This is it's got a bunch of trend line liquidity to the upside here, so if it starts going up here, it could run all of this pretty quickly. Trend line liquidity. Do you guys want to see the short form video I made today? Going over the trade I took this morning? Let me show you guys. I want to show you it. I'm gonna show you it. I don't care if you want to see it or not. That's the wrong one. I don't care if you want to see it or not. I'm gonna show it. I gotta turn the volume on here though. I gotta figure out. Hang on. Let me turn the volume on. Let me figure out how to turn the volume on here. Crap, dude. Oh, I don't know how to turn it on. Here we go. Here we go. I got it now. Let me just see how loud it is. Dang. Hey, this is the trade I took today, and it was super light bulb. A light bulb play is just when you see it, you know exactly that it's going to play out perfectly. You don't even think about it. This play had trendline liquidity built up, a liquidity sweep, and it was delivering from a fair value gap. It also had a V-shaped IFVG with plenty of momentum, so I knew I wanted to get in this trade. It also had A and B, so we had accumulation, manipulation higher, and here we were getting the distribution down. So I knew all of this was lining up to be super light bulb. So then I got in on my entry model without any hesitation and let it run down to hit my full TPs right here. If you want a PDF of my exact A+ entry model, comment A+ on this video and I'll send it to you for free. How do I know when something's a Let's go, dude. I post stuff like this every single day. I do one video a day. But look, this is the live trade right here. Hang on. If we can get it. I'm at break even now. See if this. Hang on. I might take a stab short in a minute. All right, I'm in a short. I got in. I'm going to see if we can get it. I'm at break even now. See if this thing can dump. What the heck, dude? Man. I might take a stab short in a minute. All right, I'm in a short. Oh my gosh. All right, whatever. Yeah, but that was a trade. It took it on a live stream. It's perfect. Perfect trade. What? You guys didn't tell me my paper trade. Look, boys. Golly, man. Man, come on, dude. Look, boys. Come on. Sheesh. You guys didn't even tell me. Nobody even told me here. Nobody even told me, dude. Oh, it's coming right back up. It didn't hit the TP. It's gonna go hit that TP though. It's gonna go hit that TP down there, boys. I tell you what. How many points was this? 24? 24 point? Oh, it's right back up, dude. Look at that. The 3-minute gold play. Was it 3 minute? 5 minute. The 5-minute gold play inversion playing out here. Boom, the indicator called it. B-. The indicator called it out right there. B-. You left with $217. Let's go. You paper traded that gold buy, hit 2,500. What's up, caveman? We're just hanging out in the Asia session, dude. Having a good old time. Just hanging around. Throwing a few paper trades on. B said, broski, how do I start trading? Dude, you just got to start. You got to start looking at the charts. Add NASDAQ and gold to your charts and just start looking at it. Look up how to trade IFEGs on YouTube. Got a fair value gap right here. Is it gonna hold? Is it gonna hold? It's gonna hold. Oh yeah, B for sure. Yo, thanks for the sub. Yeah, dude, just hanging around, boy, having a good old time. Just hanging out, dude, chilling. You guys want me to turn the song requests on? Or you like just the elevator music? Sebastian says, do you trade Asia session a lot? No, dude, never. Never. I trade London and sometimes New York, but mainly London session. Let's go, dude. I'm the best trader in the world, man. I believe it. I believe it. Funny you just tuned in and you have the exact same session. Let's go. Yo, thanks for the sub, Biscaloco. Dude, I'm the best trader in the world. Come on, dude. Woo! You can take that and put that in the bank, buddy. Put that in the bank. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Man, let's go. Do you use a Mac Mini M4 system? Nah, bro, I'm on Windows. Caveman said he thinks I should stream pre-market and Asian. Forget the New York. We'll see. We'll see. The profit, $69,420, bro. That's it. $69,420 paper dollars. Let's go. Dude, but okay, man, nobody knows I stream the Asian. Nobody would join, dude. There's 27 people in here. We're just having a good old time, you know. Nobody would join up in the Asian. Boom, let's make it look even better, son. Boom, look at that risk reward. Let's go. Man, sometimes you got it, Devin. Oh yes, though. Dude, we've been killing it lately. We've been killing it, bro. Not gonna lie. Dude, I hope one day we get to 10,000 subs. That would be phenomenal, dude. If we got to 10,000 subs one day, bro. Dude, I'm working my tail off on this stuff too, man. Like, you guys don't even understand. Working my tail off on all this stuff. Like, dude, working my tail off. Barely get any sleep at night. It's just because I love doing this stuff, man. I love trading, bro. Dumping off. It's going down to the sell side level, dude. I'm telling you. Got this sell side level down here. I mean, it's probably that's probably where it's going, bro. Probably headed for these sell side levels. And then after it takes those out, might be a good area for a long. City Boy Rocky said, how can I get like you? Real question. Join the premium. That's the easiest way, dude, honestly. And but if you want to go to free route, just I do free streams all the time. Just come on the free streams. Come on the free streams all the time. But the serious trades on my funded accounts and stuff happen in the premium group. EA said this is going down. Yeah, it seems like it, doesn't it? What up, Rock Driller? What's up, dude? Thanks for the sub, Jimmy Pep. You do any long-term trading? Oh yeah, dude. I invest $500 a week. And at the end of the year, I have a Roth IRA. I put money in. At the end of every year, I go into the Roth IRA. I do the max, whatever you can do per year. I think this year was like 7,500 or something. And then I also invest $500 a week for my paycheck. It just takes right out from my paycheck and right into an S&P ETF, which, you know, that's debatable. I just did that because it's safe. But if I would have done it in stocks over the past few years, it would have been way more than it is now. Yeah, bro, but the Roth sucks because I'm not going to get that money till I'm like 60 years old. What am I going to do with all that money when I'm 60, bro? What am I going to do with that money when I'm 60? I'll tell you what, I'm going to get all the ladies in the nursing home, bro. I'm going to get all the ladies in the nursing home with my Roth IRA money. You just wait. Open a prop firm, dude. Prop firm probably won't even be around. Rock Driller said, you still making jewelry? Yeah, bro. You want to see? You want to see some stuff I just finished up? It's not fully up to date, but I do have something in here. I do have something in here. So this is the coolest one I just finished up. That one's really cool. And then just like some other just little sapphire ring. Finished that one up recently. Some old diamond engagement rings here. I made this this lady wanted the ring guard to go around her middle ring here. I made this ring guard. It fits perfectly around her ring with diamonds in it. Stuff you see, it comes up, goes around the center diamond, and then the middle ring just drops right in there. But yeah, man, just making it up. All kind of stuff here. Cool little emerald right there. Bright green. Crazy looking. Yeah, man. Somebody said how to trade with the orb. I used to trade the orb. You just mark out the highs and lows of the 15-minute or 1 hour, and then when it breaks out of there, you trade it. I used to trade that, dude. I for real, I got payouts using the London session 15-minute orb. And then if I missed a 15-minute, I'd trade the 1 hour orb. Just going for base hits, though. I wouldn't try to go for big moves. But I don't trade. I don't use that strategy anymore. Oh, thank you, Toki. Thanks, Rock Driller. Appreciate it. Yeah, dude. What a trade there, dude. What an entry. Paper, but still builds the confidence. Still builds up the confidence, you know, dude. It's all I love paper trading, dude. When I'm just bored, hanging around, I like refining the skills, dude. Like, I don't know, like, do you guys like do you love doing this, or do you just do it for the money? Let me know, dude, because I love just looking at the charts and just trying to figure out, like, it's like a puzzle to me, right? It's like a puzzle, dude. I just love trying to figure out what's going on. What do you think about rare earth right now? You mean like the company or the lab grown diamonds? You mean the company or the lab grown diamonds? Because I like lab grown diamonds. Rare earth, though. Oh, rare earth stocks. I don't know anything about it. Be honest. What is rare? Let me look it up. I think there's a company called Rare Earth that sells lab-grown diamonds. Dude, my Wi-Fi is not working. I don't know what's going on. Maybe that's why my junk's lagging. USA Rare Earth? Yeah, I don't know anything about it, but it looks like it's been dumping slap off. It's down 38% in 1 month. I don't know. Yeah. Reddit story said, are you looking for another trade? I mean, if something pops up. Nothing's popping up right now, though. Oh yeah, Devin, for sure, dude. Let's see. Maybe there's something on gold over here. Like I'm kind of looking at a little gold short maybe. But maybe not yet. Maybe not yet on gold here. It might want to keep going up a bit. Probably wants to go up a bit more. Yo, thanks for the sub, KK. Appreciate it. What do you, okay, for those who looking at gold, what do you think's gonna happen here? You guys think gold's going up or down? For those looking at gold, do you think gold's going up or down? Thanks for the sub, Andres. All right, dude, I'm gonna watch this gold right here. If this 5-minute inverses, I'll take a long in it. If it doesn't, maybe I'll take a short. A minute 50 left. Al said, trade by Slay, what made you take that trade on NQ? Let's go over here and look at it. All right, so if we see on NQ here, we got kind of an AMD. I always preach about this AMD pattern. So you can see here on NQ, we got an accumulation, manipulation higher, and then the distribution, because we got an inversion right here, right? We got the inversion, and boom. So it came down, and it's this AMD pattern. So accumulation, manipulation, and then it was kind of just chopping around here, getting ready for the distribution. So when it came up, I got in short, expecting this to distribute down back to the lows. And we had some like really good targets down here. These sell side levels, some nice lows down here could be targeting right here. So in a major downtrend at the moment, just everything. Huge downtrend, and this was like one of the first pullbacks here. So what are the odds it doesn't keep going down? Plus we got the AMD going on. So all of that stuff just was making me think short. And yo, it's not gonna invert it, is it? Tony said, hey man, I just wanted to ask some good places to get started. I've always been interested in trading, but no one really tells the basic stuff unless you pay for classes. YouTube, bro. YouTube's the best place to learn. If you have any questions about trading, type it into YouTube. There's a video on literally everything right now. That's where I learned. You can literally learn for free on YouTube. Open up a free TradingView account. There's an app on the App Store, TradingView, or you can go on tradingview.com on your computer. Open up a free account, and then you can start watching these candlesticks here. And go on YouTube, find a strategy, and then just start practicing that strategy. And then, that's the simplest way to start. I mean, there's no point in telling you a bunch of complicated stuff right now. You just got to get started. You got to start figuring out how these candles move. You got to start practicing. And then once you get started and you start watching people live stream and stuff, you'll start to learn more and more as you go along. Al said, sir, do you wait for confirmation before you enter? Yeah, I usually like the IFEGs. So that was kind of the confirmation for me on this one. See, so like here here we had a bullish fair value gap, and the confirmation is when a bearish candle closes below it. So boom, now this bullish fair value gap got disrespected. Bullish fair value gap got disrespected when this candle closed below the gap here. So that's your confirmation that you can start to look for lower, because fair value gaps are meant to get respected. So if it was truly bullish here, it would have came back, tapped into it, and kept going higher. But that didn't happen. It came down, closed below there. So that was our confirmation that it was probably gonna continue down. I think this thing's about to continue down here. It kind of looks like it's on gold. It kind of looks like it's bear flagging. But everything's moving kind of slow right now. Al said, are you always looking for liquidity or just the patterns? The main thing I'm looking for is, liquidity and where I think price is going. And then once I figure that out, then I look for the entry and the patterns and stuff. Yo, appreciate it, Ryan. Yeah, Tony, I pretty much stick to only IFEGs. I mean, if there's something super duper clear, like a draw that's super clear and I'm not getting an IFEG, every now and then I'll enter on another, like something else, but I mainly stick to the inversions. Let's go, Onika. Appreciate it. Just logged in and explained something very insightful about the FVG. KK said, I agree. I really enjoy trading and watching the charts. Yeah, me too. I just love watching and trying to figure out where price is headed. All right. Do you guys like the Asian sessions? Should I do Asian sessions more? Yo, what up, KK? You guys like the Asians? The Asian sessions? I usually stream London session and pre-New York. So if you're around, you know, before the New York session open, hop on the stream. I stream every morning for pre-New York session. Al likes the Asian sessions. Onika said Asians are cool. Yeah, it just moves kind of slow sometimes in the Asian session, I feel like. Please include the Asian sessions. I might have to do it. How do you know if you're offside even when candles become inversions? So let's switch back over here. So like on this here, say, so this is an inversion, right? If a green candle were to close back above here, like this right here, and close back above this inversion, then it would probably be wrong and I'd probably get out. So when the candle closes back above, say, so this is bearish. If a green candle were to close back above here, then that means that this inversion is probably invalid and you can just exit the trade here. That's why I have the stop usually above the inversion, and it won't be a hard stop because it can wick, and as long as the candle body stays inside the inversion, it's still good. You just don't want a closure, a candle body closure. So like say this was the wick. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? Gold ain't really doing anything. Casriel Lakers said, why don't you trade New York session? I did today because I'm off work, but usually during the New York session, I run a jewelry business. So I run my own jewelry business, and I am doing that during the day. But after, for the next year, the new year, I may try to get it worked out to where I can trade the New York session. I'm usually asleep now, Casriel. I'm about to go to sleep though in a minute. Look at this, man. I knew gold was about to come down. Golly. Rejecting this 5-minute fair value gap coming down here now. Yo, RS, thanks for the sub. I'll tell you what. Rock Driller said, I think gold is going up. Look at the 1 hour. Tell me what you think. Let's see here. Let's look at the 1 hour. So I don't know. It's kind of tough. Gold's kind of tough right now. Let me delete all these drawings and let me take a real good look at gold. You know, I think it's still coming down. I mean, it's kind of got all these wicks down here, so see how all these wicks are down here? I think it wants to come back down, take out those wicks at least, or come down for this previous day low. We'll see though. I mean, it's got a fair value gap right here on the 30-minute, so it's tapping into that fair value gap now. So it could just continue up from here. But honestly, see, it's tapping into this 30-minute fair value gap now. So, I mean, most people would play it like this, continue up. So yeah, I can see where you think it's going up. We'll see here. 30-minute fair value gap. Could just be tapping into that, and now it's gonna come back up. And it does have all these highs over here that would make sense for it to come up and take these out at least. Hadn't taken those out yet. I mean, yeah. I think it could go up actually. We'll see. Onika said, so you trade the inversion. Do you mind explaining it more? Sounds interesting. Yeah, I'll give a quick explanation. There's a lot of stuff that goes into it. But I'll give an explanation here. So if we look here on the 30-minute, this is a bullish fair value gap. So this candle wick and the third candle wick, they don't touch. So there's a gap in between the wicks. So a lot of the times it acts like a magnet for price. Price will come down like exactly what it just did. Tap into this fair value gap and then continue up, right? Well, if that doesn't happen and price comes down here and closes below here, then that can give us an indication that this fair value gap's invalid. So I use that as my entry model. If we get a closure below here, I play it down, because this fair value gap got disrespected. So then I play it down and I look for the move down to capture the points. And I can show something here that I'll put my A+ setup here on the screen for just a minute. I'm not gonna leave it up for too long, but if you want to take a screenshot of that, it's really good, so you might want to take a screenshot. It's my A+ IFVG model. But yeah guys, I think that's gonna be it for me tonight. I'm about to hop off here. I'm tired. I got to get up in a few hours and trade the London session with the premium group. So I'm about to hop off here. Thanks everybody for hanging out. I think I'm going to... It was fun. Asian session was fun. All right. Y'all have a good night. I'm out of here. Peace.
Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Shots go up, shots go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes. trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on cue, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high, candlestick red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest, go gangster simply the best. Tick-tock, time goes by, golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more, go gangster, hear them roar. Gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high, NASDAQ flashes in his eyes. Trading fast, catching highs, buy low, sell high on cue. Go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every grade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high, candlestick red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest, go gangster simply the best. Tick-tock, the time goes by, golden gains reaching sky. Every trade winning more, go gangster, hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud, go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls, aiming for those trading goals.